Good morning everyone, we are the Group 2 and we will be discussing Lab 31 entitled Visual Function. Human vision is a complex function involving image, information, reception by photoreceptors, transmission of sensory information to appropriate brain centers, and perception of the image in the mind. Vision also relies on a variety of positioning and focusing mechanisms to form an image in the correct spot of the light-sensitive receptors inside the eye. We have mechanism of vision, we have the muscle, lenses, and visual apparatus. Also, we have qualities of visual images, we have the resolution, brightness, color, and depth. Our goals for this activity is to demonstrate visual function by means of standard test and demonstration. The materials for this activity that we needed is wall chart for astigmatism chart, wall chart for Snellen eye test or visual acuity, pack of assorted brightly colored papers, and color blind test plates for Ichikawa test book. Now, my co-member will enlighten you about these materials.
Good morning everyone, I am Christina De Felix. Today, my topic is Visual Acuity Test with Snellen Eye Chart and Astigmatism. Acuity is the sharpness of the visual image and is often tested in clinics with the Snellen eye test. Snellen's chart, 20 feet tests one eye and corner the other eye. In video, 20 feet from the chart, first try to read the patient in the lowest line form. Read and cover the right eye, he read the line 8. Second, he covered his left eye, he read line 8 again. And both eye, he read line 8 again. He read a line 8 means that he has 20/20 vision. This means he can see the same line of letters 20 feet. The person with normal vision can say up 20 feet. However, let's say, at his left side, he could only read like line 6, which is 20/30, that which means the left side 20 feet, that person with normal vision would see up 30. Astigmatism is abnormal curvature of the cornea or lens. Chart 20 feet, cover one eye and stare at the center. Negative astigmatism is straight off, equal darkness, no astigmatism is present. Positive astigmatism, line appears wavy, curve, unequal darkness, astigmatism is suspected. Normal, surface, smooth surface, and astigmatism is rough surface. Astigmatism is uncommon and generally treatable imperfection in the curvature of the eye that causes blurred distance and near vision. Astigmatism occurs when either the front surface of the eye cornea or the lens inside the eye has mismatched curves. Instead of having one curve like a round ball, the surface is egg-shaped. This causes blurred vision at all distance. Accommodation is the ability to adjust the focusing apparatus for changes in distance from viewed object. Lens, change in shape to accommodate near vision. Pupil, changes diameter to help accommodation. Accommodation test, subject's chin on the table, cover one eye, focus on the word test, hold it 1 meter away, and then move the word closer and record nearest point at which subject still can focus. And then observe the pupil diameter as you approach the near point and then do it on the other eye. Blind spot is a small portion of the visual field of each eye that corresponds to the position of the optic disc. It is also known as the optic nerve head within the retina. Try to stare at the square or circle about 35 cm. Slowly bring figure closer to the eye. When the lateral object disappears, it has fallen on the blind spot. Photoreceptors are specialized cells for detecting light. Rods are a type of photoreceptor cell in the retina adapted to reception of dim light of a broad color change.
that is dim light, black and white vision. They are sensitive to high levels and help us good vision in low light. Cones are one of the two types of photoreceptor that are in the retina of the eye, which are responsible for color vision as well as eye color sensitivity. It can also perceive different wavelengths of light. Cones are densely packed in the fovea centralis, while the rods are usually found concentrated at the outer edges of the retina and are used in peripheral vision.
Peripheral monochrome vision. Nature of the periphery. Subject stage forward. Slowly bring a brightly colored paper to the visual field. Behind the subject head. Stop when he indicates that objects entered the visual field. As the color, do not cheat. Color blindness. Color vision deficiency. Brain or nerve damage, but usually an inherited condition. Red-green deficiency. More common cones are missing. Deuteranopia. No green sensitive cones. Protonopia. No red sensitive cones. Ichikawa test book. Whole book plate about 75 cm from the subject. Bright natural light. Avoid glare. Don't touch the figure. As the numeral seen in each mosaic record or of numeral of the form provide for only if the subject is color deficient complete the second form.
Test or demonstration, acuity test, astigmatism, blind spot, and color blindness screening. Acuity test, left eye, incorrect 2020, no glasses, right eye, incorrect 2020. Remarks, he read the 2020 vision correct, but the way he covered his eyes was wrong. Astigmatism, left eye normal, right eye normal. Each line length varies when her test tool is rotated but it does not curve or sway. The subject had no sign of astigmatism. Blind spot. Left eye found, right eye found. Remarks, no blind spot problem. Color blindness screening. Left eye normal, right eye normal. Remarks, based on the video, I identified them correctly.
Fill in the blanks. Number 1 and 2. Blank is the sharpness of the perceived visual image and is often evaluated in clinical situation with the blank eye test. The answer is Acuity and Snellen. Number 3. A person with 2100 vision has normal or abnormal vision. The answer is normal. Number 4. Abnormal curvature of the cornea or lens is called. The answer is astigmatism. Number 5. The ability to adjust the focusing apparatus of the eye to account for changes in distance from the viewed object called. The answer is accommodation. Number 6. When accommodating the pupil and the blank may change shape. The answer is lens. Number 7. The blind spot is actually the answer is optic disc. Number 8. Black and white vision is also called blank vision. The answer is monochrome. Number 9. Rods and involved in bright light or dim light vision. The answer is dim light. Number 10. Cones are involved in bright light or dim light vision. The answer is bright light. Number 11. Rods are involved in black and white or color vision. The answer is black and white. Number 12. Cones are involved in black and white or color vision. The answer is color. Number 13. Individuals with a lack of grit sensitive cones are said to have blank, a form of red-green color blindness. The answer is deuteranopia. Number 14. Individuals with a lack of red-sensitive cones are said to have blank, a different form of red-green color blindness. The answer is protanopia. Number 15. Color blindness usually results from. The answer is inheritance.